Hello, one and all, and I have come up with the remaining methods in the string concept. So please go to the previous the previous class so that you have an idea on the string method concept. So let's come to the class, and first method in the today's class is the string is strip method is a trip method. So this method returns a copy of the string in which all characters have been striped from beginning of the string. That means default white space characters. So what is the syntax? That means str dot is stripe of characters. Here we have the parameters called character. What is meant by character? That means you can supply it can supply what characters have to be trimmed. That means is a trimmed method remove the characters that are going to specify, and then it may returns a copy of the string in which all the characters have been striped from the beginning of the string. Here is clearly you can observe clearly from the program. You can get the what is the is trimmed method. So here str is equal to I have taken some blank space. After that I have taken a string. This is string example, and then calling the is trimmed method by using the print statement, and then I have taken another string. But after the beginning of the string I have mentioned some asterisk points, and after the mentioned some string, and end of the string I have taken some asterisks also, and then calling the is trimmed method. So after executing these four lines, kindly observe the first line. There is a blank space before the start of the string. So the is trimmed method it ignores the blank space, that means white space, before the start of the string, and prints the result from the this. That's why here you can get this is string example. In this string example, it ignores the white spaces. Coming to the second print statement, here asterisks are there, some asterisks are there before the this before the this. So after executing the is trimmed method, it trimmed the asterisks and prints the only from statement this, and the remaining strings remaining asterisks are as it is printed after the end of the statement. This is about that means it trimmed the characters before the start of the string and prints the characters from the beginning. That is the main name of the method is trimmed. And then we have another method called make translation. So it returns a table that maps each character in the tab substring into the character at the same position in the out tab string. So here we have the syntax called str dot make transmission in tab comma out tab. Here the parameter specify the in tab means this is the string having the actual characters. Out tab means this is the string having the corresponding mapping character. So mapping character. So it returns some value. It returns a translate table to be used to translate the function. And kindly observe here I have taken a small program, that is in tab has the characters, collection of characters are called AEIOU, and out tab collection of characters 1 2 3 4 5, and then trans tab. By using the trans tab is a variable, I am storing some value into it, and then calling the make trans method by using the string dot make trans of in tab comma out tab. And then by using this statement, all the characters a e I o u corresponding to 1 2 3 4 5. That means a points to 1, and e points to 2, I points to 3, o points to 4, u points to 5. That means mapping in tab to out tab, each character is mapping, and then output is as follows. That means this THIS, this I specifies the character number 3. That's why here 3 is printed, and is this is I replaces with 3, and string I is 3, and example e points to the character 2. That's why here in the place of e we can see the character 2. That is the main aim of the method, transmission method. And next we have another method called maximum method. So this method returns the maximum alphabetical character from the string str, and the syntax is a max of str, and here str means this is the string from which the max alphabetical character need to be returned. And we have some return value. It returns the maximum alphabetical character from the string str. So here I have taken a string, that is, this is the string example, and this value is stored in str, and then I am calling the print method, that is the max of str, that is maximum character. I want to print the maximum character onto the output screen, and then I have taken another string, this is string example, which value is stored into the str, and then printing the maximum value. So in both cases, clearly observe the, this is a string example, this is the first statement. I am concatenating this string with the max of str. That means the maximum value, which string character has the maximum value, that is the y, which has the double x y z. So it has the maximum value. That's why it prints the y character. And coming to the second example, there is no y here, so there is a x. Then the example exampl, that's why w x, x is the at the end of the alphabetical order, that's why here printed as a maximum character. So it prints the maximum value onto the output screen. And this is the totally reverse to the maximum method, that is the minimum method. It returns the minimum alphabetical character, and syntax is also same as max. Here max replaces the min of str, and here str means the returns the some minimal alphabetical character needs to be returned, and I have the returns some true value, returns the minimum characters, else returns the false value. I have taken a string, that is www.tutorialspoint.com. This is the string which is enclosed in double quotes, and then printing the minimum characters concatenating with minimum str. And then I have taken another string called tutorial point. All the characters are in double quotes, which are enclosed in double quotes. And then next I am printing the and calling the minimum min of str. So after executing this program, I got the result as minimum characters. So what is the minimum character in this? Is the all these are in the lower case, and there is no minimum character in this. That's why it returns the value as a dot. And in the minimum characters value, all these are in the tutorial point, all these are in the uppercase letter. So alphabetical order, A is the first, B next, C next. That's why it prints the value as A. And then we have another method called a replace method. So this method returns a copy of the string in which the occurrences of old have been replaced with a new, optionally restricting the number of replacements to maximum. What is meant by replacement? It replaces the some value with the another value. So kindly observe the syntax. Str dot, that means string dot replace of old some new and the max. So clearly observe the definition for the parameters mentioned in the replace. First parameter is the old. This is a old substring to be replaced. And next one, the new. This is a new substring which would replace old substring. And max, if this optional argument max is given, only the first count occurrences are replaced. And return value, it returns some value, a copy of the string, the occurrences of the substring old replaced by the new. And then we have taken a program, this is string example, and here I am replacing the value, a string dot replace of is with was. And then I have taken another replace statement, string dot replace of is was with 3. That means here at the places, in the places where the is was present, I have to print the was. Kindly observe, this is the statement here. At the occurrence of is, I am printing the was. That is the main aim of the program. That is the main theme of the program. That is the replace method. And then I have discussed the remaining methods in next class. And so please kindly subscribe my channel Jairam Infotech, and like my videos, and comment if you have any doubts regarding this session. And thank you one and all. Have a nice day.